Hello everybody, welcome to 2025. It's been a great year. And to start off the year, we're gonna upload our first video this year, which everyone is still questioning to this day based on my search on Google Analytics. How to add worship lyrics on OBS 2025. Been a couple of years since I made videos like this, but still people keep looking for it. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep running the hype. These kinds of videos are the ones that keep getting me views, so might as well do it anyway. But I'm gonna add something new. Worship lyrics in OBS, all of the ways in one video. Okay, so let's get started. First, of course, you need to download OBS to get a clear one. I have a clear one here. First thing you need to add is like a scene, probably live or something like that. Then the first method, it depends on the software you're using. So currently I'm using Quilea. Like I have this song right now. I make sure it's black because it's just easier for the tutorial. I can't give a tutorial for changing backgrounds because it's based on the software you're using. It's not, no, you get it. So we're just gonna add a source. First of all, we need to add a window capture. Just type it as lyrics, and then you get the window and choose something like projection window. That's what I do, or what I have in Quilea. If you use Quilea, just do this. Set it to bit so that it can actually read it. Do not capture cursor, and then just press OK. Just resize it like that, and then press Alt if you want to crop it a little bit. Just do that. Put it below. This makes more sense if I add a camera. So first I'm gonna add my own camera. Okay, so we're back, and yeah, since my video is above the lyrics, that means it's layered, so I'm just gonna put it below so that I'll make sure the lyrics is actually like on top of it. So just do that. Or the better method to do is just right click it. This is what I do. That's why I set things in black. Blending mode. Click add. That removes the black background. So I can actually just scale this a little bit smaller because I think that was too big. Transform. Center screen horizontally so that it's centered. So when we go back to Quilea, so if I like this one, this has two lines, and then go live, go back to it. See, look, now it looks great. That's actually enough for most people. Just find the right window, just look for it. I know as long as it's this one, like the one, see, look, it says projection window. Just look for that name if it comes up, and then that's basically it. And yeah, sorry for my nose. My nose is stuffy right now. So that's the first method. So every time you switch to like the different songs, it's gonna like, there, look, it's always gonna be active. So that's the first method. But if you have a running background on it, just crop it, like no problem. Just do the blending method like normal. Example, if it's not black, either resize this one right here or not. If you don't want to resize, then just stick it to here. We have no choice. That's the only thing that we can actually have. So yeah, just resize it like that. You can do that as well. It's like if there's a running background here, like we're really limited. We're not doing this on freaking Pro Presenter, so we're just stuck with having this. But I prefer to have it a transparent background. That's what I prefer. Okay, so the next one is, this one is using window capture. The next method is we're just gonna do a display capture. Lyrics 2. Okay, we're just gonna type it lyrics 2. The reason why I would use a display capture as well, because if your worship lyric computer, the computer that runs the software, is also running the projector, might as well just copy the display from your output. See, this one goes to the output of my Quilea. So why not just do a display capture and capture the display or your projector onto OBS? So that's what you can do that, and then resize it again. Go to here. and then hold the Alt key and then hover your mouse to the square or the point. Just click it and then just drag to crop it. Do that because if you press shift, it's gonna do this if you're gonna press shift. So yeah, and just position it in place. Right click, transform, center horizontally. That's the second method. And still, like the first one, you can still do blending mode if you want to. There's no problem with that. That's the second way. The first one will be the window capture. The second will be the display capture. If all options are lost, just do the display capture. It's foolproof. Nothing's gonna ruin display capture. It's always gonna work. Display capture is always gonna work. The third one is gonna be a bit extreme, but no. If display capture doesn't work on you, I don't know why. I'm just prolonging the video, aren't I? Just do a window capture, then just window capture Quilea itself, then go to Quilea. Make sure that this gets super big as much as you want it, like probably that, and then like the examples before, just click the Alt key, just crop the preview. Like if you really have no other choice, as much as foolproof display capture is, if it still doesn't work, just do this, and it's already in the right size at least, right? So you just right click, transform, center horizontally, then add. There you go. It still works. It still works despite it just a crop version of like the software. But do know, the moment you move this and stuff, it's gonna affect it's gonna affect the entire thing. So yeah, just be mindful of that, and then just lock it into place. So those are the three ways that you can capture lyrics into OBS, or you can put lyrics into OBS. Those are the two ways. But there's another way. There could be, it depends on the software, there could be a tool where you can actually have an external monitor, like a third one, if your computer allows it, that you can send a stage. You can set a stage monitoring for your singers, right? These are the ones that are usually in black. So if you have that, you can also use the display capture to capture that, or the window capture. It depends. If you don't want the background, and you can just set the stage as a black background, and then just remove the textures that way. And I know we have that in Quilea. If I go to tools and then options, see, look, we have here, it's called a stage view. So if you have a stage view, it will actually work if you have an extra monitor. So let's say we go to display. See, look, stage screen, output 1 or output 2. If you have a third output, it could work. So in output 3, in stage view, you can have the background color as just black, and the text color as white, right? You can just have that. Just disable the hour clock. Black stage view remain display. Clear stage view remain display. Yes. And just press OK. And then if you go to that output, go back to OBS, and then on window capture, just use the stage output. On the display capture, just use the output you used on the stage. So that's pretty much it. By the way, guys, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, happy new year to everyone. Hopefully you will have a great year this year. Easy Pam, God bless you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.